Trailer Park Boys chicken fingers featuring Coney Island Sauceries, decent hot sauce, and green bastard. Ah! So, are you sure it's a good idea just to boost Steve's car?
Rikki, we need to get to the gas station for pepperonis and jalapeno chips. We don't have a car and they don't have a shed. How are we supposed to get there? Now keep an eye out while I hot wire this car. Red to green. Told you I knew how to hot wire a car. Jalapeno chips, here we come. What was that? I didn't feel anything. Oh no.
Steve's pet chicken.
That's the tiniest cock I've ever seen.
You think as much as he strokes that thing, he'd be a little more resilient.
All right, well, I got an idea that's gonna get us lunch and take care of the evidence. Choke that chicken and let's get out of here. All right, we gotta kill two birds to get stoned here. We just ran over Steve's prized chicken and we gotta get rid of the evidence and make lunch all at the same time. So we already stripped Steve's cock down here. We got Team Corey and Team Trevor. We're gonna try a little science experiment out here today. We're gonna juice up these breasts and mainline some flavor right down into the middle of them. Aren't we, Rikki?
That's right. It's a good thing I stole Steve's insulin needle.
Insulin needle looks more like his cock pump. All right, we really want to thank Coney Island Saucery for sending us these Trailer Park Boys inspired hot sauces. You got decent hot sauce and you got green bastard Verde hot sauce. These are really good. We need to get them open. The lid's stuck on this one. Hang on a second, I'll get it undone.
Oh God!
What's your problem?
Smokey, what the?
Oh, barely grazed you. Went right in and right out. Loosened up that real good. Let me see that needle.
Oh, that's all right, Smoke. It's all water under the fridge. Worst case Ontario, you know, which went clean through, didn't hit the bone. I think we're all right. Woo!
Oh man, this green bastard's gonna give these cocks a punch of flavor from parts unknown.
Are you sure this is gonna work, Smokey?
Does a bear shit on the Pope? Don't you ever never ask me no stupid questions ever again. All right, the trick to injecting these chicken fingers is you gotta pull out just a little bit as you go. Otherwise, you're gonna have a blowout. I'll explain that joke to you later, Rikki.
We're gonna season Team Trevor with Poser Destroyer.
And then we're gonna season Team Corey with Carnage Asada. Don't forget to flip your cock over and find both of them at TrueMetalGrilling.com.
Now, it's the Jalapeno chips that really make these chicken fingers even better than the $8 kind. And I got a good idea on how to crush them up real small so they get the good crumblies on them. Alright, we got our Jalapeno chip crumblies put down in our Trailer Park Boys inspired Tupperware containers. We got flour, egg, and our chip crumblies. We're gonna juice that flour up with a little bit of bone dust. You can always find all of our spices at TrueMetalGrilling.com. You're gonna start out the flour, dip it in the egg, and then really get it down in Jalapeno chip crumblies. That's how you make these the good chicken fingers. Not like George Green's bullshit chicken fingers that don't even have the good crumblies on them.
Oh my God, Smoke, these look so good my brain is short circulating.
Yeah, it doesn't take rocket appliances to figure out what happens next. We're gonna put these on the grill, but the trick is we're gonna cook them on indirect heat. That way we don't burn the crap out of them and all these nice Jalapeno chips brown up and become all good and tasty. Check this out. All right, we got the True Metal Grilling smoker going outside the shed at all times. You wanna cook these chicken fingers on indirect heat. Direct heat, indirect heat. Pay attention, posers. You're gonna end up burning these chicken fingers worse than they burnt Ray's trailer. Oh man, we got our chicken fingers straight off the grill here and they are looking good.
Oh, Smoke, I think we passed our experiment with flying carpets.
Well, Rick, I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so, bud. These are gonna taste amazing. Grab a little bit of Team Trevor there. I'm gonna grab a piece of Team Corey. Let's dunk them up into the Coney Island Saucery Trailer Park Boy sauces here.
That's so good.
That's a good chicken finger right there.
That green bastard is kicking my ass.
Say decent sauce. That's decent. Find these Trailer Park Boy sauces at Coney Island Saucery. And always find True Metal Grilling seasonings at TrueMetalGrilling.com. No posers allowed.